Hi again. On to question 5, charity without a benefit. Here we have Serena, who made $22,000 last year and gave $2,000 in charitable donations. So, again, I'm going to speak to you as if I'm speaking to her and kind of explain the situation. So, hey Serena, wanted to touch base about your donation and what it means for your overall tax picture this year. So, while your donation was extremely kind and generous, it's not going to equal a direct tax benefit this year, and I just wanted to touch base and kind of explain why. So, basically, the IRS gives you two choices to lower your taxes. One is what's called a standard deduction, and two is what's called an itemized deduction. And you have to choose one or the other. So, in first scenario, the standard deduction, you'd claim a standard amount that for an individual is set at $14,600. So regardless of any donations or other factors that you would claim, if you go with option 1, the standard deduction, $14,600 flat, no additional info needed. If you go with option 2, that's what's called an itemized deduction. And for itemized deductions, that is where we would break down, more like line items of, mortgage rates, student interest rates, state taxes, donations. And if all of those things, if all of those items are more than the standard deduction, then it's beneficial to go with path 2. So say that, there were a total of $18,000 in donations and state taxes and all of these other, numbers that go into it, then we would go with path 2. But because we're basically weighing $14,600 and $2,000, we're going to go with the $14,600 deduction because it will ultimately save you more in the long run.